Are you also the one aware of the terms like e-commerce, quick commerce, D2C, but very curious how do these platforms works? What are the tools? How do the brands make money? I've been running my own agency since 2 years now, where we as a team work very honestly and diligently to help brands grow on Amazon and other marketplaces. Over the last 2 years, I've done 40 to 50 webinars with some renowned names like Growth School and DigiAxel Learning. And right after every webinar, I just got few messages, and here I am to train you guys and understand how does e-commerce business works in India. We will be looking down upon the platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Blinkit, Zepto, etc. Means it will be a mix of e-commerce plus quick commerce. If you have reached to a certain level of spends and sales, then I'm presenting it to you, the Brahmastra for Indian sellers. So Amazon Brand Analytics, Helium 10, Amazon Pi. These are the 3 tools which you exactly needed. And if you want to deep dive more about these 3 tools and want to learn about the entire Amazon ecosystem, then I'm launching a course on e-commerce plus quick commerce so that you can upskill your career and grow your brand to the next level. And we'll deep dive a lot about Amazon, of all the questions that I mentioned in the starting. Sounds exciting, right? 20 plus hours of content. It's more than 40 plus videos across multiple platforms, and each and every video is filled with actionable insight. If interested and want an early access for that, do fill the details mentioned in the description or in the bio, and I'll see you inside the course.